friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. Today we will explore how to create custom groups in Tableau. Sometimes users demand to categorize their data as per some custom groups. In that case, it is not possible for us to go back to database team and ask to create some custom groups and create a column and make it available for us into the Tableau. In that case, Tableau is giving us a nice feature where we can create a custom groups and users can use it to categorize their data. So let's see how to create custom groups in Tableau. Let's take example of our region dimension. So a region dimension has 4 different regions: central, east, north and west. So let's say our user wants northeast as one group and central west as another group. So creating groups is very simple task in Tableau. Go to that dimension, either use this drop down or you can right click and create group. This window will show all the values available for that dimension. You can select the values which you want to group either by selecting by pressing the control, or if you want to select whole bunch together you can use shift button as well. So let's say we want to create the first group as central west. Press the control and select west. There is a group button, click on it. You can rename your group. So we'll give name as central west. Similarly, select east and north, group them together. We will name this group as northeast. And if you have any other values which you don't know if any additional values coming from the database, in the future you can use include other option here. In our case, we don't have any possibility of coming additional region. So I'm going to hit apply. Just observe this dimension pane. As soon as I hit apply, you can see new dimension with this paper clip is generated. That is region group. Now if you pull region instead of region group instead of region, you can see there are 2 region groups. Now let's create a simple example, a region and a cell. The grand total is 686,131. Now pull region group and replace it with the region. In this case, it grouped central and west, north and east, and the grand total is same. Just to check it, you can drag and drop region in front of region group, and you see central west is a group of central and west, and northeast is a group of north and east. So this is how we can create groups in Tableau. That's it from today's tutorial, friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share our videos. Leave your feedback in comments and keep exploring Tableau until we meet next time.